Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. The Greens residence in the city of Montego Bay represents one of the most exclusive and prestigious residential neighborhoods for homeowners on the island. This spacious architectural designed 6,500 square feet, 6-bedroom, 6-bathroom villa sits on approximately 36,033 square feet or 0.83 acres of land and boasts 4.5 bedrooms in the main house and a 2-bedroom cottage. The floor of the house is incredible and the oversized glass doors invite the outdoor in. There is a large patio area of the dining and the sitting area, which flows onto a huge wooden deck with a swimming pool, making it ideal for large family gatherings and entertaining. The panoramic views of the Caribbean Sea and Bay can be felt both indoors and outdoors. The villa is on 2 floors, and the attention to detail and use of high-end finishes is evident throughout. Ideally located, being less than 5 minutes away to a 3 golf course, a golfer's paradise, shopping plazas, nightlife, beaches, and the international airport. Guys, let's take a look at this villa. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US $2,495,000 or Jamaican $384 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.